Hi, I'm Lynn Kleiner, and welcome to another edition of Kitchen Music. Today, we are thinking of the instruments that we have from Indonesia that are at Music Rhapsody. Oh, we love to play these. Well, we were supposed to play these with our awesome jungle theme, but now that we're in the kitchen, we can shake them, we can hit them. But in the kitchen, we don't have the full set here, so I found some plastic bottles. Can hit them. And then I could add a cork to each one. Ooh. Some sound better than others, huh? Well, that's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna do a little, some echoes and some jamming with our plastic bottles. I hope you find some great ones at home. We're gonna call in the famous Mr. Luc Kleiner.
Hey, everybody.
Hey. All right, let's do some echoes. Flee,
Flee,
flee, fly,
flee, fly,
flee, fly, mosquito.
flee, fly, mosquito.
Fly, mosquito.
Fly, mosquito.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a song coming up with some echoes. Let's just do some jamming. All right, first on our echo playlist is Flee, Fly,